Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step strategy you are supposed to take after you upload your video. These strategies are going to help your video have more views, have more engagement, and have more subscribers. Your videos are going to be well optimized to be able to meet your target audience. Why we are doing this is so that when you upload your video, you just don't leave it like that. You have to go back into the settings and tick these few things so that your video can meet your right audience, so that your video can perform well. I did it in my last video, and you can see my last video is ranking up to 1k views. As a small channel, not having this type of views is a big win for me. So if you're a small channel, I am here to support you. I'm here to give you every update that I do on my channel to make it boost, and I'm here to and I'm very happy to share this update with you. Now we need to stick around to the end of this video so that you will not miss any points, because each and every point I'm going to be laying out here are very important. Before we get into this video, my name is Blessing. I'm a social media manager, social media strategist, and if you like my channel, if you like what I do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and meet me in the comment section. Whatever challenges, whatever questions you have, you can put it in the comment box. Now let's dive into this. The first thing you're supposed to do when you upload your video is always watch your video. Yes, you have to watch your video to the ending. Yes, you know you can do that. You have to watch your video. Either you're using another account to watch your video, or you're using the same account to watch your video. Either ways, you have to watch your video to the end. If you know that you are going to click on your video and you're not going to watch it to the ending, please, it's better you don't upload the video. It's better you don't watch the video at all. If what you are giving, the value you are giving, you cannot listen to yourself, and you cannot listen to yourself talk, or you are not enjoying listening to yourself talk, please don't click on your video, don't watch your video. By not watching your video, you are going to make that video perform badly. Yes, that video is going to perform badly if you don't watch your video. Except you are a type that already have subscribers and you have fans that already watch your videos. Once you upload your video, you can click out of the app and let your subscribers do the rest. But if you are a small channel like mine and you usually upload your video and listen to your video, please listen to it to the ending. It's going to help your video so very much. The second strategy is add timestamp to your videos. Yes, this is very important. Timestamp is very important. Like somebody that is watching my video right now does not want to see my strategy, the third strategy, the seventh strategy, want to click my video to the end of the timestamp I've created there. Now, by creating a timestamp, whether you are putting it from your Chrome app or from your YouTube app, it's going to work. So you start by 00:002. That's the IVIN 00:47. That is your intro. That's where the video started to your intro. That is it. Then you click IVIN and you write intro. Then you start again 00:00:47 IVIN 1: whatever time that you started your first strategy or your first step or whatever you want to do there. Then you put it as, okay, first step. That is how you create a very optimized timestamp. When you are done with your timestamp, you have to watch your video to the end, write down the timestamp, and then paste and then type it into your description. It's going to help your video go far. It's going to help people that have low retention rates, that doesn't like watching long videos, to be able to click to the part where they want to watch and watch your videos, so that people will not click out of your video so soon. Timestamp is going to help you. Now, the third strategy that I usually do whenever I upload my video is add link of my playlist or video to my description. I usually do this. If you check on this video now, you are going to see my playlist and my description. It's very easy. Just click on your video on the app, click on the video, copy the link and add it to your description. It's very good, because there are so many viewers that want to encourage you, that want to support you and watch all your videos. So once they click on your description, they see other videos there that they like and interesting to them, they will want to watch it to the end. That means you have promoted that video. If that video has not been performing well, it's going to start having views because you have put it into your description. And I will advise you put your playlist. The playlist is very important, so that they can watch all your playlists to the ending. Now, the fourth strategy is adding end screen. End screen is very important in optimizing your video. Adding end screen is very important. It lets it lets your viewers to be able to watch other episodes of your videos that you have already produced, maybe a trick or tip that you have done in your previous video. Adding it to your end screen will make your viewers to want to watch it, and they will be able to watch that video. It also increases engagement. Now the fifth step is sharing your link to those that will watch your video. That's your family and your close friends. Please don't share your link to your social media. Don't share your link to any of your social media, WhatsApp or that. No. Share it to people that you know that they are going to click your video and watch it to the end. Share it to them. Don't share your link to those that will not watch your video and will just click out of your video. Please don't do that. It's going to kill the performance of your video. Sharing your link to your personal close family and friends that are well trusted that will watch your video is very, very important. It increases the click-through rate of your video. 16 here, that's we are going to the last one, that's the seventh one. The sixth one is creating a post about your video. Is very, very important. By doing this, you have to go to your YouTube app, click on your post like you want to create, click on the video, click on the video that you want to create a post about. Click on share video. That is like you want to copy the link, but you are not copying the link. You create post. When you click create post, it's going to take you to your post and it's going to tell you to write a caption about your post. You can put any caption you want and then click publish. Then your post is already live for your subscribers to see. This is also a way to notify your subscribers that you have already created a video and they can go watch it. It's going to increase your engagement. It's going to increase your views for that particular video. This is very important after you upload your video. Now the seventh and the last one on this video now is to create a short form of your video as shorts. Yes, create a short form of a video as shorts. Either you could put your camera as a landscape and record the short form of what you are talking about, your topic, and post it and link your long form video, or you create a clip from your long form video and post it as a short and link your long form video to it. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Just go ahead to your YouTube app, open the app, then click on shorts, then upload the video from your video that you're already using for your long form video. Adjust it to the time that you want. You need to adjust it less than a minute so that you can add music, viral music. So adjust it to see it's processing. Let it process. Then you're going to click done. Once it's done processing, you click done. Once it's done, you can now add music to it. When you add your music, you can see there's a viral music there. That's the one recommended by YouTube. Click on that, then you add the music. So once you are done adding music, then you click on the tick button, that's the go button. Then you can now reduce the music volume down to minimal so that the people watching your video can listen to your voice while the music is in the background. Then when you are done, you click next. It's going to process for a while. Then you are going to see where it's showing related video. This is where you are going to link them to your long form video. So you click on any video that is related to that short. Click on it, then you upload your short. After adding your description, your hashtags and everything, then you can now upload your shorts. That's all about it, about linking your video, your short form video to your long form video. Done doing this, you can then now relax and wait for your video to perform and wait for YouTube to do its thing and wait for your audience to do their thing and pray. Yes, your video is going to get viral. You are going to get a viral video soon. If you got a value for this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.